Thank you for coming my big life because I'm waiting for someone, but everyone don't come to my big life. But why I don't know.
Okay.
You're looking so beautiful. So may I know?
Maybe number one from where? Number one.
Oh, so where from?
Step by step. You from where?
Okay, I am from Bangladesh. Now, you first of all, you tell me where are you from?
لا بكلم تليفون. ايوه. لا لا لا.
I am from Bangladesh.
What? I'm not understanding.
Okay, okay. Now right now I'm
Oh,
talking.
nice country, nice. I'm from Egypt.
Where are you from?
मेरे को जाना पड़ेगा मेरे को जाना पड़ेगा मेरे को जाना
Egypt.
Oh,
From Egypt.
so what are you doing right now?
I'm working now.
Oh, you're working.
Yeah, I'm working.
You're looking so
And you, what
beautiful.
are you now? I'm not understand. Wait. What?
You're looking so beautiful.
Thank you so much. Thank you
I think
so
you're
much.
I think you're typing, right?
Yeah, I'm typing now.
Oh, so if you don't mind, may I know, are you single or married?
Yeah, I am married,
Oh,
and I have two babies.
oh, that's good.
Boys, Time and Basil.
Oh,
Yeah.
so can you guess my world?
10 years ago.
Now you tell me my old. Can you guess my world? Exactly, sure, old.
Okay. Um, 38. 38.
No.
38. What? I'm
I
not understanding.
I'm only 17 years old.